Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get birthday notifications on Facebook. And here's how it is done. Open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android. Tap the menu icon in the bottom right corner. From the menu, select the gear icon in the top right corner to access settings. Scroll down to the preferences section and choose the notifications. Locate birthdays in the notification settings menu and tap it. Once there, ensure allow notifications on Facebook is turned on. If not, switch it on and grant notification permissions if prompted. Choose how you'd like to receive notifications: email, SMS, push notifications via the Facebook app. If you want birthday reminders directly on your phone, make sure push notifications are enabled. After setting your preferences, return to the homepage, and you will now receive birthday notifications based on your selected options. And that is everything you need to know about how to get birthday notifications on Facebook. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.